so yeah, I took the tractor. Yeah. And I pushed around. Oh, that's crap. I got that log out of there. That was the rest of this. And then I didn't do much around here. I just pulled that a little bit right there. Because, you know, damn. There's bottles everywhere. But I'll get them next time. But I didn't want to get too close to the well, because something with a lot of weight like that can collapse something. But I did scrape up all that crap. Yeah, all the way to the line. All the way to that line. See that pink thing? Right here's the ribbon. All the way down my line. See that? And then there's my giant woolly booger thing. And I didn't push any on his property. I scraped it all away. And then that way towards my giant compost pile. Those are piles I still gotta burn. Yeah. It's all kinds of bottles and shit still in here. Yeah. Yep. But that looks a lot better. But it ain't smooth. I need to get that box scrape. Yeah, I can make this real smooth. Where it just, you know, get on there with a lawnmower. But I got to go through and pick out all the rocks and sticks. And there you can't get everything with the tractor. But I went ahead and bush hogged this guy's whole area that I left. Yeah, I scooted around over there for a while. See that hill? And pushed all the weeds and crap. Pushed all the weeds and crap down to the weed and crap area. Yeah, it's pretty good. And then the neighbor came and got me. And I took a giant pile down to that pile of weeds that were right here. Here's that piece I was looking for. And this. Alright, that was enough. Yeah. But yeah, so there was a giant pile of crap right here. And all the metal I put in the back of this truck. There we go. I did the best I could with that. And then I fixed the driveway again. Yeah, looks pretty good. But I'm done. D-U-N-N. Done. But I mowed all the way to here with that brush hog all around here. This was 3 feet tall right here. I didn't know it, but a bush hog can mow 3 foot tall wet grass like nothing. Damn, that's a truck with a trailer. This is long enough for me. This is, well, the truck probably 20. This is another 20, so. Yeah, that little thing did good. Did good. But, yeah, so I got it all strapped down, ready to go. My little house. So pretty much I got to burn that next time it rains real hard. And not real sure what to do about it. It's so lumpy and bumpy. And you can't see it in the thing, but from right here to right here, there's like a 2-foot difference. And then just all the crap that I made, but I think a box blade would be the idea. And then looking at it from back here, I think we'll see what happens. But right in the middle here, at the very back towards the woods, maybe that's where we stick single wide. See right there? See right there? Mm-hmm. We'll just make a gravel driveway that leads to it from the same driveway, but just right there under that tree, like right there to there, just a single wide. But that's futuristically, you know, that and just along here, because anything can happen with that duplex over there. Any crackheads move in or whatever. It'd be cool to lay Leyland cypress or whatever, them bushes or whatever, right on the line, right over there, right on the line, and then just you know, get all this cleaned up. That's the tree line for back there, and then maybe nothing this way. Take those things down and act like we still own it.